Hi folks, hello. I want to just tell you that I will do some videos for some specific products. I'm not sponsored by this, but I have a presentation in July. Because of this, I got a lot of equipment, which would be stupid not to make videos out of this stuff. So I will show stuff from Teenage Engineering, the Deluge from Synstrom, then the Anima Phi, the Bitwig Connect interface, which is really nice. I already tested it yesterday and it's really good. And I will show you some possibilities what you can do with this interface. And then I also got some controllers from Intech Studio, which is a modular kind of based system where you can connect different modules, controllers with different possibilities into one big controller, if you like. So you have faders and knobs and whatnot, and then you combine them into the controller of your dreams. And another thing I really tried out, or I'm trying to get my head around, is this one. Don't laugh. I know it's small. I know it's expensive. It's incredible small, but it's also really sexy, you know. And I don't know how they did it to make like a 12 channel or 6 stereo channel mixer into a form factor like this. I have no idea. And for sure, a lot of you guys complaining, maybe saying like, hey, okay, that's kind of boutique stuff from the audio scene. It is. But still, I think quality-wise, there's nothing on the market which makes something like this. And Teenage Engineering are famous for that kind of stuff. If you know the OP1 or the OPXY or the OPZ, you know what I'm talking about. They are boutique instruments, but really amazing sounding quality. I'm mind blown. I'm actually really mind blown. And I will show you in some videos why. And looking forward to your feedback. Also from Sound, I got this really nice headphone from III, which I appreciate. And it's such a great sounding headphone. I found out, like, if I listen to mixes, which I do normally in the studio, and now listen to them on the headphones, it's kind of the same thing. And I'm really impressed by the quality for that kind of price. I know there are different types of headphones out on the market, sure, but some of that products I would never take on the road. I would stay with them in the studio and use them there. But I need a possibility where I can create music and I know how to mix kind of sound on the road and in the studio. So that's why I choose the III. And another one, which I will show, is the, as I said, like the Anima Phi. You can create all kinds of real instruments, from flutes to guitar kind of thing, and bowed string stuff, and also like really crazy effect sounds. And I just played around a little bit with the Anima Phi, and it's worth taking a look, even that it's discontinued. More on all this news and infos in other videos, but I will try to keep on going and record as much as possible. And hope you enjoy the content. Have a nice one. Bye bye.